Welcome guys. This is kind of different sort of video. I'm showing my face, like, wow, big thing. It's quite a big thing showing your face obviously to your channel. I feel like it's a new way of me connecting to the channel. My channel is growing, it's doing really well. I'm getting more and more subscribers, I'm getting more followers, I'm getting this, that and that, and I really do appreciate it, even if I've got a massive spot straight there. So in this video I'm going to be showing you something really cool. It's something that I won. Yeah, it is pretty cool. So I'm sure all of you are aware that there's such a thing called a Becauseracecarbox. Looks like this. For a carry on, first time obviously doing this in the car and stuff like that. You've got, literally it's like 10 o'clock at night. I've got the interior light on in the car just so you can see. So this sort of lighting effect here, I really do apologise, because you know, nothing I can do about that at the moment, but we'll learn as we go on. So Becauseracecarbox posted on their Instagram, which will be on the screen now, go ahead and follow them. They posted that they found a Christmas box. As you can see, it's a Christmas box in their like warehouse or wherever they keep their boxes. They found a Christmas one there and they've done it on a giveaway on their Instagram. I entered it and I was the lucky winner of it. So thank you very much to everyone at Becauseracecarbox for picking me to win this pretty awesome prize. So guys, I haven't opened this. I have broken the seal though. Just when I picked it up, I got a knife to quickly cut it just to save us trying to rip it apart, because I do like the box it comes in. It is really nice. I'm not going to show you the top of it because it has got addresses and stuff, but yeah, it does come in a pretty cool box. It is really nice. So we're going to open it up and see what's inside. Okay, so obviously I will just bearing in mind guys that this box is one of their Christmas box that they found, so it's going to be a bit Christmassy, so it's a bit not really in theme, but at the end of the day it was a competition, we won it, and that's pretty cool. We've got some, by the looks of it, some pretty cool stuff in here, so bear with the Christmas stuff, alright? First thing first, we've got a Christmas candy cane within this box, which is sort of broken in half, but it's all cool. It's gonna get broken when you eat it. Who cares? Second of all, I really want a new air freshener for my car, because at the moment I've got a roll hard one. If I put it down enough, there you go, I've got a roll hard one, but I want something different. I've had that one for so long now, obviously since roll hard was like a good few months ago now. I want something different, but I don't think this one's going to justify me at the moment. We've got a new air freshener guys, but I might have to wait a few months. We've got a nice Christmas tree air freshener. Let me just have a quick look. Right, okay, so put all these jokey bits aside. Obviously the sort of theme with this also is going to be Christmas, but then also winter, which is still kind of handy, because although we're in March, the UK is still having so much bloody snow and ice and shit like that, so it is really cool. It's, yeah, got an air freshener. Right, so next thing we got is one of these de-icer scrapers. Not something that I'd personally use myself on my vehicle, but I have family members that would happy enough use it, and it can be used for a lot of other things as well, not just like scraping windows and stuff like that. But it's not really something that I would use personally, but it is a really handy tool to have. So, and I haven't actually got one in the car. So yeah, it'd be pretty cool, because you can even use it as like, if you're putting on the sun strips, you can sort of like rub it out sort of thing with it, because it's not actually like too hard. It's got a lot of flex in it. It actually is pretty decent. What else we got in here then? So here we go. We've got some protective wheel, so some protection for your wheels. Right? Revive my ride. Valid and detailing. I'll show you exactly what that looks like. You can see straight there. It's pretty cool. It's in a fairly big bottle as well. Does it say what size? No, it doesn't say what size bottle, but that is a fairly big bottle. Apply wheel aroma to fully cleaned wheels by spraying directly onto the wheels. Allow soak for 30 seconds. Use a dry microfiber cloth to wipe dry. So again, that's just going to protect your wheels after you cleaned it. So obviously try and repel all the brake dust and stuff off that. I will give this a shot and we'll see how we get on with it. So the next thing I've got in here, it has got a bit of a Christmassy theme, but it's called Santa's Snacks Gingerbread Detail Spray. That looks just like this. Obviously, all because it's got Santa Snacks on it, like it doesn't have to be used at Christmas, you know what I mean? It's got a nice sort of, a pretty decent top to it as well. Nice little spray on. I'm not going to obviously spray it right in the car. What's it say on the back? Let's have a look. Shake bottle, well, and missed a small section onto a spotless clean paintwork. Use a clean dry microfiber cloth. So it's basically a detailing spray. Wash your car, give it a quick little film over it, and then wipe it off with a microfiber, and that should make it look quite nice. We'll have a look, see what this one is like. Again, I'll probably do a separate video and see what these products are actually like. Be pretty cool. Okay, so another product that we've got in here, which I quite like this, GB Detailing De-Icer Pro. To show you just here. Fairly big bottle again, hasn't got a size on it, how big it is. 100 ml this one. So as you can see, it's fairly big. Like, I've put it against my hand, it's pretty much the same size as my hand. Again, a pretty decent spray bottle to get a nice film over it. Shake bottle, for the spray, De-Icer Pro. So basically it's one of those that you spray on your window screen, and if it's, well, it works up to minus 25 degrees, which I know UK is bloody cold, but it's not that cold. Minus 25 degrees, and it should stop your window screen de-icing. So especially, this is really handy because I start work sometimes so early. Like I have to leave my house at like 3:30, sometimes maybe 4:15 in the morning. So this is really handy for me to use, because sometimes there's nothing worse. Although this car like de-ice the screens in minutes, there's nothing worse than getting out and you think, oh, now I've got to de-ice it. It's just so much easier to spray a coat of this on and see how it goes. I really am going to try this out one time. Be pretty cool. So what else we got in here? So we've got some black gloves. Obviously these are what has happened here? And we are back. At least you know that if you ever leave your interior light on in this car and you've got the engine off, at least you know your battery's never going to go flat. It always stays on, which is pretty cool. Black detailing gloves. So obviously you know that you can get like blue gloves, get white gloves, but these black ones are so strong. These are the ones that like people, you probably see a lot of tattoo artists use these because they are really thick, really strong, and they're really nice fitted gloves. I'm going to probably get myself a whole box of these because there's nothing worse than having it all polished all over your hand. Like you try and scrub it, it just won't come off after a while. So they'll be quite nice to use, especially when I'm doing the wheels and that. It'll be pretty nice to see what these are like before I order a whole box of them. God, we've got quite a lot of stuff in here so far. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah, 7 items so far. Doing pretty well. Here's the 8th. So as you know, if you get bottles that you want to have a spray top on it, a lot of products come without just a bottle with a lid on it. You can pop this on, screw it up, and then you've got a spray sort of nozzle for it. You can unlock it, little spray nozzle, turns it the right way. There you go. Little spray nozzle, and that can fit onto pretty much, it looks like it's multi-use, so you can put it on lots of different bottles, whatever you really want. That is pretty cool. I like that. I like these little sort of bits that you can use on different products. I really do like that, because if I look at that, that's way too big for that. But if worse comes to worse, I could always cut this down, because I've got a few of these now, cut that down and have that for that. Do you know what I mean? Like, you can do so much with that. So just this little thing being added in has like got so many uses. It's really great. Great little bit of kit, that bit. So last but not least, we have got, so as you all know, as I explained to you, most of this has got to be wiped off with a microfiber. So guess what the last one is? It is a nice pink microfiber cloth. So we got here, it's fairly big, like, not being funny, covers my whole face. It's a fairly big microfiber cloth, and you can never have too many microfibers. Like, feels really nice, and I'm sure it'd be great working with the products that we've got sent today, lucky enough, because from Becauseracecarbox. Massive thumbs up. So again, I just want to say a massive thank you to Becauseracecarbox for me being lucky enough to win this prize. It is an absolute awesome box. I'm just going to quickly explain what Becauseracecarbox is. You can do a monthly subscription, or you can do a one-off buy from them in their website. The link will be down in the description. You'll be able to monthly subscription, so you pay monthly, and each month you'll get one of these boxes with different products in all the time. If you look at some other YouTubers like B7 Tommy, and stuff like that. Who else has got one? Adam Rainey, he's now like sponsored or whatever you want to call it with Becauseracecarbox. Have a look at their channel and you'll see sort of other products you can get with it. But it is really, really great. I've always wanted one of these since they've like been released, but I don't know. I've always just wanted to see, but I've loved watching people's videos, and to have my hands on a box and have my hands on one of these, it actually is pretty cool. And I can't thank Becauseracecarbox anymore. So guys, I hope you like all enjoy this video and enjoyed seeing the face and stuff. Like, I know people like it. I feel it's another way, the next level to connect with my channel. We have got some really big plans. You have just got to bear with me, guys. We've got some really, really, really big plans for this car. The ST will be transforming massively. As you already know, it's had some work done to it. It is going to be a slow process, but you're going to be on the travel every step of the way with me. We've got some big things happening. I'm not going to say when, what, where or anything like that at the moment, just because I can't promise it myself. I'm working so much at the moment. I'm doing like 50-hour weeks just so we can try and get the money behind us and we can actually get this car done, because it's going to look pretty mint. So please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and share this channel over to your friends. Could be great to get even more new people to the channel to see other people's opinions. Leave a comment down below if you are planning on going to like Ford Fest and stuff this year, because I will be attending both of them in the ST, so it'd be great to like meet up while we're there. We've still got a lot of time to plan that. But I'm going to stop rambling on now, guys. I hope you do enjoy this video. Please ensure to give it a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Cheers, guys.